Hello, this is Think Big Online Education, Senior 3, Mathematics, Unit 1, Problem on Set, Lesson 1, Review of Union, Intersection and Complement of Set, and Representation of Problems using a Venn diagram. I'm Tita Lewis. Point 1. Review on union, intersection and complement of set. A set of common the set of common element which appear in two or more set is called the intersection. Means intersection of the set. It is a common point, common element when you have many sets. You have many sets. For example, here you have two sets. You have set A and set B. Then intersection is where those two sets are met. It's written as this symbol. You have symbol of intersection. Intersection of A and B is written as here you see. Means set A and B. You can also find what is union. A union when the element of two or more sets are put together to form a set. The set formed is known as a union. So a union, we count element of A, we add element of intersection, then we add element of B. We count one times element of intersection even those elements are located in a two set A and B. In the case of intersection, we count all elements. Even here you have 1, 2, here we have A, here we have C, for example. Intersection is union here between A and B. We will only count 1, 2, A and C. This is intersection, but that is union. For the case of intersection here, we count the element A. Intersection of A and B is equal to A, because a set A is they have common points with set B. We have a complement. What is the complement of a set? For example, complement of A, it is element which are located in a B with different element which are different from element of A. Complement, we count element located in a B which are not in set A. Means it is the set of all elements in the universe set. You know, universe set, it is a big set which combine both set. This is a universe. Even here you can have another, for example, another element which is outside of A and B. This is a universe. Universe will combine element of A and B and other element which are outside of those above. So a universe set contains all the subset under consideration. We consider the case of element, the case of set, then under consideration. It is denoted by this symbol. This is a symbol of universe. We have example. Given the following set, you have set A and set B. You are asked to find intersection. We have to compare those two sets. A means A is in both set. B, and here you have B. B also is belong in both set. C, compare C and C here. C also is belong in above set. H is not belong in A. I is not belong in A. So A, B, C are the element which is belong in intersection between A and B. So the union, we count one time all element of A and B. We can count A, B, C. A, B, C. You have A, B, C. We can write A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I. So all element except we write element of intersection one time. We can't write it two times. For example, A, B, B, C, C, because we have A, B, and C are in above set. We write one time A, B, and C. And here we have seen it. We write A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I. Each element must be written in one time. We have another example. Second example. Given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B 2, 4, 6, C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then we are asked to answer the question concerning this example. Intersection of A and B. You have to compare A and B. 1 is not belong in B. 2 is just belong there. 3 is not belong in B. 4 is belong. This 4 is belong here, and 5 is not belong in B. So intersection is equal to 2 and you have 2 and 4. Write down cardinal of A, element of A. We count element of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. List the set A union B. We count element of A union B means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because we can't write 2 and 4 two times, we write it one times. Then list the element A union B union C. We have to count those elements. It is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Because 1, 3, and 5 are located in A, and so. We have seen this one in some explanation, above explanation. Then diagram involving two sets. You have two sets. When you have two sets, you can somehow based on intersection, on union, and or any complement. Consider two intersection set. You have A and B, such that the element of A is this. The element of B is this. We represent two sets in a Venn diagram as follows. To write those elements in this set, in intersection you have A, you have B, you have C, and you have D. The element which is not belonging in A is equal to Gi, R, J, K, and the element which is not belonging in B is equal to E and F. The union of set A and B, we count all elements here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, R, J, K, and so. It is the reason why we take element of A, we add element of cardinal of A, for example. Those are cardinal or number of element of A. A union B means we take a number of element of A, we add a number of element of B, then we subtract element of intersection, means is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. we write 6. Then we add number of element of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We write 9. Then we subtract number of element of intersection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of element in intersection will be equal to 11. You have 11 number of intersection. Example number 3. Show the marks out of 15 scored by the number of senior 3 students in group C and D. You have marks 8, 5, 10, and so on. In the intersection you have 6, 7, 9, and 12. You are asked to determine the total number of senior 3 students in 2 groups. We will count in union of those elements. A union of n of this class, number of this class of senior 3, we have to count all elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 students. It is like to use above relation. It is just this one by using property. We have example number 4. A survey involving 120 people about the preferred breakfast work that 55 drinks milk at breakfast, 40 drinks juice at breakfast, and 25 drinks both milk and juice at breakfast. We have to represent this element in Venn diagram. In a Venn diagram, we have to put in intersection visitors who drinks both. People who drinks both are 25. We don't know number or a number who drinks only. Who drinks here A and B, a set of A and B. We consider A as the people who drinks milk, and B people who drinks juice. So total number of people who drinks milk, it is X plus 25, because 25 is in both, can be located in A or in B. Means when we add X and 25, we somehow get the value which is equal to 255. Means X will be equal to, you have X plus 25, which is equal to 55. We have 55 here. Then by solving this simple equation, you will get X is equal to 30. Means number of people who drinks milk only is equal to 30. By considering Y, people who drinks only juice is equal to, you have Y plus 25 is equal to 40. Then Y is equal to 40 negative 25 is equal to 15. So number of people who takes milk only is equal to 30. People who takes only juice is equal to 15. Number of people who takes the neither milk nor juice. It is it. How many number or who takes people who takes nothing? We take 120. We subtract people who takes 25, who takes both negative x, value of x is equal to 40, who takes milk, subtract people who takes juice only. It's equal to 15. Then this one will be equal to z. When we take 100, then we subtract this one, we remain with 1. You will remain with 4. We have 52 people who takes nothing about choice and about mix. Those calculations have been done above. We have example number 5. In a class of 20 pupils, 12 takes art, 10 takes chemistry. The number that takes no one is a half the number that takes both. Represent the information on a Venn diagram. Use the Venn diagram to determine the number that takes both and no one. So we have to consider those numbers. The number who takes both, we don't know the value of number who takes both. The universe has 20. Art is who takes art is 12. Who takes chemistry is 10. Let's take a value of x. Student who takes both. We don't know that value. But to find the value of a student who takes only art, we take the value of a student who takes all student who takes art, subtract student in intersection as the same. We take student who takes chemistry, subtract just intersection. Then by solving this case in universe, we have 20. We add all elements here we have in this set. We have to take this one, you add y, you add 10, negative y, you add 1 over 2, because a half, 1 over 2y is a half of student who takes both. It is a half of y. When you add all those elements, which is equal to number of universe, we somehow take the value or find the value of y, means the value of student who takes both. By solving this equation, we somehow find the value of y, which is equal to 4. Then after finding a student who takes both, we can somehow find a student who takes nothing, no one, between art and chemistry. It is taking the value of y, we divide it by 2, we find the value of 2, means student who takes no one between art and chemistry is 2. So we have a point of Venn diagram involving 3 sets. So without using Venn diagram, it is somehow became very complicated to solve a problem with 3 sets. We have here example showing the number of students who takes who takes, we have Germany, you have Spanish, you have French. Are somehow student who takes those one. We have German student who takes Germany, student who takes Spanish, student who takes French. And the intersection of those three sets are somehow complicated, as here you see. Means 15 students I take both, or language, foreign language, German, Spanish and French. Then 3 students I take both, German and Spanish. 5 students takes both, German and French. As 60 students takes both French and Spanish. To take the student, the union of all students there, we take a number of students in German, number of students in Spanish, number of students in French, and then we subtract the number of students, intersection between those three. We subtract this one, and then we add this, and add this. So to take all union, the union of all those elements there is like to take 70 plus 3 plus 17 plus 16 plus 15 plus 5 plus 18. Then when you add all those elements there, you will somehow get a union of students who takes Germany, French and Spanish. You will get this value. Example number 6. The student in the senior 3 class did a survey on their names regarding whether they contained the letter A, B, C and D. Their names contain those letters. The following Venn diagram shows the result of the survey in terms of the number of names in each categories. Students where their name contains C are 10, both B and C is 10 and 2 in the intersection of all 3 letters. The name containing D, you have 2 intersection between D and B, and so on. Use the Venn diagram to determine the number of students' name containing in all 3 letters. In all 3 letters is equal to 2. You have 2 students by looking for 2 diagrams. The letter D, all students where the name contains letter D, you have to add all elements in letter D. You have 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, we have 10 plus 9 is 19. You have 19 here. Letters B and D, but not in C. The student contain in letter B and D is 2, but not containing in C. When you consider 2 is containing in C, we somehow consider 2. Only 2 of the letters. Only 2 of the letters. When we add only 2 on the letters, you have 10, you have 6, and you have 2. We get some 18. The total number of students, we add all students here. All students. The total number of students is somehow equal to universe. So we have the same result as we explained it. Then all students is equal to 40. Only 2 later we add 6, 10, and 2, and so. Example number 7. A group of 10 tourists arrived in Rwanda and visited Akagera National Park, Nyungwe National Park, and Virunga National or Nyungwe Virunga Mountain. Results showed that 33 visited Akagera, 33 visitors, tourists visited Akagera, 21 visited Nyungwe, 23 visited Virunga, and 18 visited both Akagera and Nyungwe, 10 visited both Nyungwe and Virunga, and 17 visited both Akagera and Nyungwe. We have to draw a Venn diagram of 3 sets and represent all both elements. All tourists visited at least one of the places. Represent the information on Venn diagram. When you represent those elements in the Venn diagram, we somehow write a Venn diagram of 3 of somehow in 3 set, as here you see. We represent those elements from intersection of 3. Here you have 10 visited above Nyungwe. We have Akagera. You have Nyungwe and you have Virunga. Then we visited above Akagera and Nyungwe. Virunga and visited above and Virunga. All tourists visited at least one. We have to take the element which is belong in it is somehow X. You can call X element where all elements are somehow intersecting. All visitors, all tourists are intersecting this point. And then you take X, we subtract element which is visited, for example, Akagera and Nyungwe, and the soil. We have to take, for example, y in place of x. Take x, take y. Then element tourists visited in Akagera is 33. Tourists visited in Nyungwe is 21. Visitors, tourists in Virunga Mountain is 23. Then intersection we have y. To find the element in above, we take 18 negative y, because all elements visited above Nyungwe and Akagera and Nyungwe are 18, but in those elements you have also intersection. We take 17 negative y, because even we take 17 negative y plus y are all elements visited above Akagera and Virunga. So from Virunga to Nyungwe, both elements visited, the tourists visited both Virunga and Nyungwe are 10, but in intersection y we have y. It is the reason we take 10 negative y. We somehow find the element, the tourists who visit only Akagera. We have to consider Akagera. Y negative 2. It is y negative 2. The visitors who visit only Nyungwe National Park is equal to y negative 7. Tourists who visit only Virunga is equal to y negative 4. From those, we calculated those value from this formula of intersection and union. Means when you write A, the number of tourists who visited A but not in Nyungwe and in Virunga. So we will somehow take element of all tourists in Akagera, we subtract element in intersection in Akagera and Nyungwe, we subtract also y plus 17. It's the reason why we put this one negative. We take this, we add this, and then we add this, we subtract it in 33. We will somehow get y negative 2. Even in Virunga, we take 23, we subtract this one, we subtract this and this. We somehow take, we will somehow find this value for the case of Nyungwe and this value for the case of Virunga. For the case of Virunga, to find this one, you take 23, you subtract this, and then we get this value. To find the value of y is somehow to add all elements here. We add y negative 2 plus 19 negative y plus y negative, all elements here, and then will be equal to 40. After taking this equation, you will somehow find the value of y, which is equal to 8. Means visitors or tourists who visit all three regions, Akagera, Nyungwe and Virunga, is 8. Then we will somehow find also those who visited Akagera only. Those who visited Akagera only is to take y negative 2. It is 8 negative 2 is equal to 6. Then those who visited Nyungwe only is to take y negative 7 is equal to those who did not visit Nyungwe. Those who did not visit Nyungwe, we somehow add this one, add this and this. Means we get y negative 4 plus 17 negative y plus y negative 2. So those elements will be equal to all visitors who did not visit Nyungwe are this one. We can't consider element which is belong in Nyungwe. You will get 19 tourists. We have example 1.8. The Venn diagram below shows the allocation of the member of board of director of a school in 3 different committees. We have academic, we have production, we have finance. This is academic, this is finance, this is production. This diagram shows the member which are located in all 3 sets is equal to 2. There you have X, you have 2, you have Z, you have 2, and so on. In academic, we have a total of 8. Means then we take 2 plus X plus 2 plus Y is equal to 8. It is somehow a formation of equation. Also, members in production, we can take X, add 2, and add Z. Member of in finance, it is Y plus 2 plus Z. Finally you get 3 equations. Determine the value of X, Y, Z. By solving that equation, you get the value of X, Y, Z. What is the total number of members in the board of director? We somehow add both elements in 3 sets, and then you add 2. Find the number of those who are not members of the academic committee. Who are not members of academic committee? We take all elements, then we subtract x plus y plus 2 plus z element of academic rank. You consider the remaining members. How many belongs to at least 2 committees? We will somehow take y plus x plus z. So from the first case for academic, academic is equal to 8. We somehow get this equation after adding 2x to y. Then for production, after taking x2 plus z plus 2, we somehow get this equation. From finance, after taking 1 plus y plus 2 plus z, which is equal to 7, we somehow found this equation. So we can take this one, we replace it in the second equation by taking x. Then the result will be equal compared with the third one. After making the substitution, we remain with the equation of negative y plus z equal to 0. It is negative y plus z is equal to 0. Compare this equation with equation 3. Equation 3 is this one. Equation 5 is this one. By solving this one, simplify this one, you remain to z, which is equal to 4, but z is equal to z is equal to 2. By making substitution in this equation, you can somehow find the value of y equal to 2. Then by subtracting the value of y in this equation, you get x, which is equal to 2. Finally, total number of members are. We have to add all members here. All members, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. You have how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With one this. Those who are not member of academic committee, we have to consider the student here, which is different from this one. From this one, we take 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. Then those who belongs to at least 2 committee. It is this one. You have 2, you have 2, and you have 2. It is equal to even this one 2. You get 8. Thank you. See you next. Mushobora no kudukurikira ku mbuga zikurikira aho musanga amasomo anyuranye. Ubu turi kwibanda ku masomo ya science n'imibare, math, set, physics, biology and chemistry, yo kuva primary P6 kugera kuri secondary S6. Dusure ukore na subscribe, tubane igihe cyose. Izo mbuga ntizikurikira: YouTube channel yitwa Think Big Twitter, website yacu Think Big Puerwa cyangwa se Iga Puerwa. Murakoze.